In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift card to Apple Wallet. If you're trying to put an Apple gift card into your iPhone's wallet app the same way you would add a debit or credit card, it's important to know that Apple gift cards usually do not work that way. In most cases, you don't add the gift card itself as a separate card inside Wallet. Instead, you redeem the gift card and the value is added to your Apple account balance. After that, your balance may appear in Wallet through your Apple account card. Let's start with the official method, which is redeeming the gift card on your iPhone. First, open the App Store. Once you're there, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This opens your account settings where you'll see the option called Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap that. Now you'll have two ways to continue. You can either scan the gift card using your iPhone's camera or manually type in the code if that's easier. Take your time here and make sure the code is entered correctly. Once everything looks good, tap Redeem. After that, the gift card amount is added to your Apple account balance. That balance can then be used for things like apps, subscriptions, and Apple services. For example, it may cover purchases from the App Store or payments for services such as Apple Music and iCloud Plus. Once the gift card has been redeemed, you can check whether your Apple account balance appears in Apple Wallet. To do that, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for an Apple account card if it's available on your device. If you see it, tap on it to view your balance and, in some cases, your recent purchases. This is how Apple may let you view redeemed funds inside Wallet. Now, here's the part that often causes confusion. You cannot directly add most Apple gift cards to Wallet as a pass. You also can't scan the gift card and store it there like a debit or credit card. And you cannot use an Apple gift card with Apple Pay Tap to Pay in physical stores. So the key thing to remember is this. Apple gift cards are mainly meant to be redeemed into your Apple account balance, not stored in Wallet as standalone payment cards. If Wallet shows your Apple account card after redemption, that's where you'll be able to view the balance. And that's how to add an Apple gift card to Apple Wallet in the way Apple officially supports.